then you just do them straight away on your hair. The first thing, it might be a protective style, but it might harm your hair in the sense that you have to dip braids or any other hair extension in hot water before you put it to your hair. You have to take a look when you make box braids, right? Sometimes when you are doing the hot water thing, have you noticed that you can see hair color in the hot water? You can sometimes see that the water turns to a like whitey cloud thing. Those are chemicals. So if that chemical doesn't go well with your hair, that's how you get like hair fall. Then you'll be wondering like, why is my hair falling? Like, come on, I was having braids, it was protected all along. The protection, yes, is there from the method, but then if it's not correctly done, that's where the whole problem starts. Okay, so this episode we are saying like give your hair some time to breathe. I also noticed something when I was just visiting a different kind of people, having different people sitting in my chair. Ladies, you have beautiful hair. Let me address guys as well. You have beautiful hair. Your natural hair, be it African, be it whichever nationality, whichever race you are from, as long as it's natural, it's perfect like that. If it's African hair, you relax it, you are weakening it, the follicles, you are weakening the hair, you're making it easy to break. If it's Asian hair, if it's the silky hair, if you do keratin, if you do color, if you're weakening the hair. The fact that we think having sleek like hair is the perfect thing to do, that's absolutely wrong. You are so beautiful with your natural hair as it is. Just know what your major problems are. If it's dandruff, you have to fight that. If it's too oily, you have to fight that. If it curls a lot or if it's hard, just look for organic things, natural things that you can use to soften it. Like not completely changing the whole structure, like relaxing it or using keratin and all. Okay, that's how we're gonna be rolling. So on this episode, thank you so much. I love you. Until my next video, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and do it yourself. Sometimes you can save money as well. For now, it's a goodbye.